So my name is Laszlo Keresztury. I'm working from BP Rotterdam Refinery as a senior optimization process engineer. You know, BP is a major oil company active in upstream, midstream, downstream, and also very famous about its professional trading operations. So I'm representing actually one of its downstream sites, the BP Rotterdam Refinery, which is the second biggest refinery in Europe and producing mostly high quality fuels for the market and for export purposes. So actually I'm working in very close to operations. So as an optimization engineer, we are focusing on the day-to-day and the mid-term optimization opportunities. So basically our major mission is to deliver a safe, reliable and competitive operations, especially considering in the last couple of months it's a very hectic market. So still we are ensuring the profitability, safety and reliability of the refinery. So that is what I'm responsible for. Actually, we are really on a mission to remain in a competitive position. You know, Netherlands and Northwestern Europe is a coast-wise is a more challenging environment than some other parts. And as well, we got further environmental challenges or legislative challenges, and still we want to be among the best refineries. So this is where we are heading. This is our mission, and we do everything in order to get there. I think it's really important to have a platform where, you know, the vendors, the licensors, the operators, so basically the different communities of the industry could meet and share their ideas, their challenges. Especially there are many challenges actually which we are heading into. So that's a great platform to discuss and find valuable ideas and insights how to resolve our business challenge. I know that the online has a really dominant role in the recent era, but you know, making valuable partnerships, I believe the personal presence is really important. Actually, it gives also as well an opportunity to go deeper, so have a better understanding and as well providing a more time to figure out what would be the right way or the right course of actions. And as well, it may serve establish real valuable friendships and partnerships on the long run. So I think the face-to-face will never die, you know. Yeah, one thing I should mention certainly is the digitalization. So those solutions which are proliferating around. Actually, it's really difficult to keep, you know, the fingers on the pulse. There are so many ideas and so many solutions. The other element is to being informed about the potential solutions about decarbonization and making the industry more environmental or more green. There were several use cases and examples shared regarding energy efficiency or driving further the efficiency improvements. Those were really valuable insights. And you know, I think these are what I would consider the most important ones. At the end, what I saw as well, that there are certain market conditions which are making the business environment very volatile, and there are different adaptation techniques which are applied from different operators, and that was also a really great thing to get an insight to. Yeah, as I mentioned, our mission is to optimize and ensure the competitiveness of the refinery. So here, among the Congress participants, there are plenty of different suppliers, vendors, and as they bring their own innovations, we actually being informed, you know, about what are the opportunities to drive forward, or profitability, or reliability, or safety. So this is one element. The other is that we share an insight about the overall market and market conditions and business environment, which really bring us into a more informed position. And the last bit is that, some of those suppliers are becoming on the long run of our partners, so we can actually, working in a more closer cooperation, will make us more competitive at the end. So that's basically what I found is the biggest benefit of participating.